What are the steps to follow for installing Google Play Store on LG Smart TV?
Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to install the Google Play Store on your LG Smart TV. It's important to note that LG Smart TVs run on WebOS and not Android, which means they don't support Google Play Store directly. However, don't worry, we're going to walk through the steps using an Android TV box or Android Smart TV stick, which will allow us to access Google Play Store.
What will you need?
First things first, let's make sure you have everything you need. You'll need an Android TV box or an Android Smart TV stick. This device will allow us to bridge the gap between the WebOS of your LG TV and the Android ecosystem. You will also need a stable internet connection to download apps from the Google Play Store.
How to set up your Android TV box or Android Smart TV stick.
Now let's talk about setting up your Android TV box or Android Smart TV stick. Connect it to your LG Smart TV through an HDMI port. Once connected, switch your TV's input to the appropriate HDMI source. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up the device, including connecting it to your Wi-Fi network. Once your device is connected and set up, you should see the Android TV home screen.
How to install Google Play Store.
By default, your Android TV box or Android Smart TV stick should have Google Play Store pre-installed. If it's not, you'll need to install it. Go to the Apps or My Apps section on your device. Here you'll find the Google Play Store app. If you can't find it, use the search function to find Google Play Store. Once you have the Google Play Store, sign in using your Google account.
How to download apps from Google Play Store.
With Google Play Store now accessible on your LG Smart TV through your Android device, you can download any Android apps you like. Simply go to the Google Play Store, use the search function to find the app you want, select it, and press the Install button. And that's it. You now know how to install the Google Play Store on your LG Smart TV. Remember, this method involves using an Android TV box or Android Smart TV stick. This solution may not be perfect, but it's a workable way to get access to the vast array of apps available in the Google Play Store. I hope you find this guide helpful, and happy app exploring!